Now we are on part 22 of our digital marketing journey, and let's continue talking about digital marketing for today's video. There are also a lot of digital marketing tools you can use. Other digital marketing tools such as VidIQ can be used in various ways, such as video SEO. We can use VidIQ to evaluate how well a particular video is performing. VidIQ is a browser extension or plugin that we can use to check a specific video's performance on YouTube. It provides details such as the number of hours watched, views, minutes watched, and subscribers. The fantastic aspect is that I can examine the whole account and gain valuable insights into my video or entire account just by installing the VidIQ extension in my Chrome browser. VidIQ provides excellent insights not only for your account but also for your video, making it an important tool for video SEO. Additionally, there are tools available for content optimization. To ensure that your website's content is fully optimized for search engines like Google, it's helpful to use third-party tools such as SEO Site Checkup or Site Analyzer. While these are paid tools, they can provide objective feedback on what improvements you can make to your content. By investing in these tools, you can ensure that your website is in line with Google's algorithms and improve your chances of ranking higher in search results. There are also other tools you can use for keyword research and optimization, such as Reddit, Google's Keyword Planner, WordStream, and many others. If you don't have access to a Google Ads platform, these tools can still be valuable for finding the best keywords to use in your content. So if you don't have access to Google's Keyword Planner through Google Ads, a third-party keyword tool can be beneficial for both pay-per-click and SEO purposes. These tools can help optimize your content and social media strategy. While there are many keyword tools available, if you're specifically interested in Reddit, you may want to consider using the tool KeywordDit. We discussed the importance of page load time and how it can significantly affect SEO. To measure and improve page load time, there are various free tools available such as SolarWinds, Pingdom, and PageSpeed Insights by Google. Additionally, we also covered conversion rate optimization and suggested using tools like Crazy Egg and Target. Another tool I want to introduce is Hotjar. So by creating a free account on hotjar.com, you can access its features to measure the heat map, click mapping, and scrolling of a page. With these features, you can see where people are clicking, moving, and scrolling on a particular page. For example, if you look at a specific page, Hotjar allows you to analyze where users are clicking, moving, and scrolling. So looking at the page, it's clear that the majority of clicks are happening on the right side. By switching to move mode, I can see where people are actually moving their mouse on that page. Additionally, the scroll analysis provides information about how far down the page are scrolling. With a paid account, you can measure up to 10,500 page views, but the free version still allows you to measure up to 2,200 pages. This is enough to gain insights into what people are clicking on, where they are moving, or how they're scrolling on a particular page. Therefore, I highly recommend using Hotjar. Hotjar offers additional features such as funneling, forms, polls, and other tools. Additionally, I would be negligent not to mention Google Optimize, which is a platform that enables A/B testing. This means that you can change a single element on an original page and compare its performance with the original. So Google Optimize is a simple tool that allows A/B testing to improve website performance. Setting up and running a test is easy with its Google platform. In the account, you can see an ongoing test where one element is being tested against the original. The test is about moving photos on the top of the page, which was not the case in the original. Reporting is available in Google Optimize, and the tool does all the work. Here, we can examine bounces or evaluate the test based on the metric that is significant to our business. The main goal is to enhance website performance, and I strongly suggest exploring Google Optimize. In the future, we will create another video regarding this topic, but personally, I think Google Optimize is advantageous because it's free and permits up to 5 tests to be conducted. Google Optimize is an incredible tool that offers you the chance to run up to 5 different tests and boost your website's performance. By using this tool, you have the ability to make significant improvements to your website, and I highly recommend it. Moving on to the topic at hand, let's talk about the benefits of ranking through search engine optimization, commonly known as SEO. SEO involves optimizing your website to rank high on search engine results pages or SERPs for specific keywords or phrases. By ranking higher in SERPs, you can increase your website's visibility, credibility, and organic traffic. Therefore, SEO is a crucial aspect of any digital marketing strategy. Another term that you might come across frequently is organic listings. In this video, we will delve into the reasons why you would want to get your website to rank highly on organic search results. First, we will discuss what search engine optimization is all about, followed by an exploration of how Google ranks websites. It's important to understand the factors that determine why one website is ranked higher than the other. We will then go over various SEO techniques that you can employ to optimize your website and increase your chances of achieving the top rank. And also, we will cover some critical do's and don'ts of SEO that you should keep in mind to avoid getting penalized by search engines. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of SEO and the necessary tools to enhance your website's search engine performance. Now, let's dive right into the topic of why SEO is important for your website. To illustrate this, let's consider a hypothetical scenario where you are a food blogger who specializes in ice cream recipes. You have a strong passion for food and have created a lot of content around your niche. You want people to read your blog and you are curious as to why your blog posts are not nearing at the top of organic search rankings when people search for ice cream recipes on Google. There could be several reasons for this. It is essential to understand the importance of SEO to attract more traffic to your website and improve its ranking on search engine result pages. Without proper optimization techniques, your website may not receive the recognition it deserves. In the following sections, we will explore the reasons why your blog post may not be ranking high on search engine results and the techniques you can use to optimize your website for better visibility. We will also discuss the do's and don'ts of SEO so that you can avoid common mistakes and improve the performance of your website. Now, let's delve a bit deeper into the reasons why your ice cream blog might not be ranking at the top of organic search results. One significant factor could be competition in your niche. If someone else has been blogging about ice cream for a longer time than you and has more content and pages, they are more likely to rank higher in search results. However, there are other factors that could also be contributing to your lower rankings, such as improper usage of keywords. It is essential to understand the importance of incorporating relevant keywords in your blog content to improve your search rankings. Throughout this video, we will discuss effective keyword usage strategies and other essential techniques to help you increase your organic search rankings. When we talk about using keywords in your content, we are essentially discussing the type of keywords you want your website to rank for. To effectively use keywords in your content, you need to determine which keywords are relevant to your website and audience. Additionally, you need to understand how to properly integrate those keywords into your content in a natural and effective way. Another reason why your blog may not be ranking high on search engine results pages is poor link building practices. This refers to the links that connect your website to other sites, as well as the links that connect other sites to your website. For example, if high-authority sites link to your blog, this can increase your website's credibility and authority, which can help boost your rankings on search engine results pages. Conversely, if you link to low-quality or irrelevant sites, this can negatively impact your website's authority and ranking. Link building plays a crucial role in SEO as it involves both internal linking within your website and external linking from other high-quality websites. By linking from one blog post to another, you can improve the user experience and help Google understand the structure and relevance of your content. Similarly, if other authoritative websites are linking to your content, it can signal to search engines that your content is trustworthy and valuable. However, if your website takes too long to load, it can negatively impact your ranking. For example, if you're using a platform like WordPress, you may need to optimize your website's performance to improve load times. Let's take a closer look at this. Imagine you are Google. Would you want to rank a website or blog post number 1 on the search engine results page if that page takes forever to load? The answer is no. When someone clicks on that link and goes to your website, they will have a poor experience because the page takes too long to load. Google doesn't want its users to have a bad experience, and neither do you. This is why web page load time is a crucial factor for ranking. Therefore, we must ensure that our web pages load quickly to ensure a positive user experience. Additionally, user experience is not the only factor that affects ranking. Other critical factors include the content of the website and the website's authority, both of which can be improved through effective SEO techniques. Therefore, it is essential to optimize your website to ensure it loads fast and offers high-quality content to enhance the user experience, boost your website's authority, and improve your chances of ranking higher on a search engine results page. And that ends the part of our discussion about digital marketing. I hope you learned something from today's video. If you like it, please subscribe and click the like button. Also, turn on the notification bell to be notified of future videos like this. Have a great day ahead and stay tuned for part 23.